Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So today I will be telling you the first law of exponent and I will be solving a few questions so that you can master it easily. So stay with me till the end so that you can build up your concepts. The first question we are having is a power 4 and a power 9. So the product law, what does the first law of exponent product law says? A power m dot a power n. When the bases are same, so we will just add the powers, a, m plus n. So here the bases are same, a, and the powers are different, 4 plus 9. So what we will simply do, a, 4 plus 9. And 4 plus 9 is equals to 13. So we will just write this is our answer. The second question we are having is y and y power 7. So y has a power of 1 because there is no power. When there is no power on a variable, it simply means that there is a power of 1. So y 1 plus 7 is equals to y 1 plus 7 is 8. This is the answer of this question. Now the third question we are having is 3p square which is multiplied with the 2p cube. So these constant will be multiplied together, 3 multiplied by 2, so it will be 6, and p square multiplied with p cube. So it will be solved using the first law of exponent. So p 2 plus 3, p power 2 plus 3, so it will be 6p power 2 plus 3 will be 5. Now the fourth question we are having is 2a cube b square which is multiplied with the 4a power 5 and b power 4. So here also what we will do, we will multiply the constants. 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8 and a cube and a5. We will solve it using the first law of exponent. So a 3 plus 5 and same with the b 2 plus 4. So 8 a power 8 and b power 6. This is the answer of this fourth question. Now I am having the question number 5, which includes the 3 variables p, q and r. So here we will do also the same. We will just add the powers because the bases are same according to the product law. So 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. P has a power of 3 and p has a power of 4. So 3 plus 4. Q has a power of 2. So 2 plus 5. And R, here R does not have any power. So it obviously means that it has a power of 1. So 1 plus 2. 6. P 3 plus 4 is 7. Q is 2 plus 5 is 7 also. And R 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the answer of this question. Now let's move to the sixth question. A power 0 is multiplied with the a power 7 and then it is multiplied with the a power cube. So it simply means that we will just add the power 0 plus 7 plus 3. So a power 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 0 is also 10. So it has a power of a 10. So this is the answer. I hope you understand the first law, the product law of exponent. Thanks for watching.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.